Hey guys, today I'm making a tasty side dish, zucchini and fresh mint. This dish is sauteed in extra virgin olive oil with a little salt, pepper, garlic, and lots of chopped mint. So let's get started. I'm going to quarter the zucchini, really easy. Cut off the ends, slice it in half, slice the half in half, and using your claw, come in for even slices. Now I'm going to prep the fresh mint. It smells so good. Remove the leaves, then stack about 4 leaves together. Roll it like a cigar, and then come in with your knife. A little garlic. Okay, the zucchini is prepped and we're gonna head on over to the stove. And the best part about this, it's gonna take us about 5 minutes to make this dish. That's what I'm talking about. So I've heated one of my favorite pans, my Scan pan, over a medium-high heat, and we're ready to go. Add the olive oil, add the zucchini, a little salt, a little pepper. So this has been cooking for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the garlic in. I waited till the end so it doesn't burn. So I'm starting to smell the garlic right now. So that's my cue to take it off the stove and finish it. Now all we need to do is add that chopped mint. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more mint on top, and just because. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for the full recipe, head on over to appetizinglife.com. Telling you guys, this mint smells insane. I need a fork.